In our previous video, we have discussed how we can add and how we can subtract two complex numbers. We also discussed how we can say that two complex numbers are equal or not. Also, it's very easy for us to multiply two different real numbers. But the question is how we can multiply two different complex numbers. Yes, today's video is about the multiplication of two different complex numbers. In this lesson, I will try to describe the method of multiplication of two different complex numbers. So let's start. Let we have two complex numbers z and w in general form. Z is equal to a plus iv and w is equal to c plus id. Now we want to multiply these two complex numbers. For this purpose, first of all, we will multiply the real part of first complex number z with the real and imaginary part of second complex number w, a into c plus id. And then we will multiply the imaginary part of complex number z with the complex number w, ib into c plus id, and then add these two products. The result of the product of a into c plus id is equal to ac plus adi, and the result of product of ib into c plus id is equal to bci plus I square bd. Now we have I square in this equation. So let me tell you, we have studied in our first lecture of complex number the unit imaginary number I is equal to root minus 1. So if we take the square of both sides of equality, then we will have the value of I square. I square is equal to minus 1. So put the value of I square in this equation. After putting the value of I square in the equation, we will have the same equation like above, but here we will have minus 1. Now we know the product of a positive and negative number always equals to negative number. So positive BD would become a negative BD in next step. So we will have equation AC plus ADI plus BCI minus BD. Now look at this equation. We have two real parts AC and minus BD and two imaginary parts ADI plus BCI. Again, I have told you in the lesson of addition and subtraction of complex numbers, we can add a real part into another real part and imaginary part into another imaginary part, and we can subtract a real part from another real part and imaginary part from another imaginary part. So we will subtract real part from this real part, AC minus BD, and we will add these two imaginary parts, AD plus BC into I. As I is a common in both numbers, so we can write these two numbers in this form. This is our final equation of multiplication of complex numbers z and w. This is real part AC minus BD, and this is the imaginary part AD plus BC into I. So this is how we can multiply two different complex numbers. Let's solve one example of multiplication of two different complex numbers. Let we have two complex numbers x and y. X is equal to 3 plus 4i and y is equal to 2 minus 7i. The first step of multiplication of these two complex numbers is we will multiply the real part of x, that is 3, with the complex number y, that is 2 minus 7i. 3 into 2 minus 7i, and then we will multiply the imaginary part of complex number x, that is 4i, with the complex number y, that is 2 minus 7i. 4i into 2 minus 7i. Now the result of product of 3 and 2 minus 7i is equal to 6 minus 21i, and the result of product of 4i and 2 minus 7i is equal to 8i minus 28i square. Now we have again I square, so put the value of I square in this equation as I square is equal to minus 1. All the equation is similar to this one, but there is one change. We put the value of I square, that is minus 1. Now we can see there is the product of minus and minus, and we know the product of a negative with negative number always result in positive number. So minus 28 would become positive 28 after multiplication with a negative number. So now we have two real parts and two imaginary parts. Add an imaginary part into another imaginary part and real part into another real part. So 6 plus 28 is the real part. So 6 plus 28 is equal to 34, and minus 21i plus 8i is the imaginary part. So minus 21i plus 8i is equal to 13i. So this is the final complex number. This is the result of multiplication of complex number x and y, that is equal to 34 minus 13i. This is the real part, this is the imaginary part. So this is the multiplication of two different complex numbers. I hope you better understand now how we can multiply two different complex numbers. In our next video, we will discuss about conjugate of complex numbers.